Looking to streamline your coaching process or highlight key moments in calls? Start by simply clicking on Add to Playlist. Inside this pop-up, you can select an existing playlist or create a new one in just a few clicks. Want to focus on a specific part of the call? Use the snip feature to capture the exact moments that matter, like this section where coaching is needed. Just select the segment, and it's ready to add to your playlist. Once you're done, head to the Library option in the menu bar to find all your playlists. Here's the call you just added. Notice the duration you captured specifically for coaching, making it easy to revisit and act on. Sharing is seamless too. Share your playlist with agents or send it to a custom email address. Collaboration has never been easier. Ready to highlight key moments and build a coaching powerhouse? Book a demo today